Hey everybody, Travis Holsomwood, Food Force Abundance, Minnesota, and coming to you from Norwood, Young, America, Minnesota. We are installing or planting 89 trees and berry bushes trying to get them all in the ground today and finish up tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna suck because it's only gonna be like 30, but if we get all the stuff in the ground today, then we don't have to worry about that. But I'm going to turn you around and show you what we have done so far today, this morning. And yeah, and Jordan is over in the back of the property digging holes for other trees and planting those, while I am going to start digging the holes for a kiwi trellis that's going to be 96 feet long, with 4x4 posts every 8 feet. And then we are going to staple on using 1.5-inch wood staples. We are going to attach 2 rows of cattle panels that are 16 feet long by 50 inches tall. So it's going to be 100 inches high, and there's going to be 6 kiwi vines that are going to spread out over this trellis and take it over. And then in front of it, we planted so far 7 elderberry trees. So I'm going to turn you around and show you what we got here. Here we go. All right. Here we got the 6 elderberries so far, and then here you can see I have staked out. Oh no, it looks pretty straight, don't it? Now I'm going to start digging the holes here, and once I get the holes here, my delivery from Home Depot is coming with all my 4x4s and my quick setting quickcrete for the holes, and then we are going to get this finished. But you see my kiwi bushes are here. But anyway, that's it. I will have some more. I'll have some more updates for you in a little while. Once I get all these holes dug, get the posts in the ground, and then I'll take you on a walk on the other part of the property, and hopefully have about 20 or 30 more trees and bushes in the ground when I show you next time. But have a great one, everybody. Enjoy your Thursday. It's 60 degrees on November 10th. This Marine Corps birthday. Hoorah! Semper Fi, Marines.